Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Ali Abdaal's text animations using CapCut. So Ali Abdaal's animations are simple but powerful. They are usually clean, minimal, smooth, and perfectly timed with speech. No crazy effects, just smart animations. So to recreate it, you can just first open CapCut and create a new projects. And after that, you can import your talking head video or background clip and place it in the on the timeline. So this style works best with plain backgrounds or blurred footage. Now you can just add your text, keep it short, usually one keyword per line. So I'm gonna just go with Ali Abdul's style. Okay, let's just go with this. You need to use clean phones like Inter, Montserrat, or Poppins. Here I'm going to just use Poppins, and you can adjust the size and also the color. So let's say I'm going to just use this one right here. And don't forget, you can write or slightly off-white text if you want to. And in here, this is the key part, the simple animations. Here you can just select your text and go to animations, and you can choose fade, slide, or pop. I think I'm going to just go with, let's try to find pop. Okay, this one, I think I'm going to just go with pop up. And here you can set the durations to 0.3 to 0.5. Short, smooth, and subtle. So this is the Ali Abdaal vibe. You can place it to here, for example. Now you can sing the text with your voice, so each word phrase should appear exactly when you say it. So let's say this person is saying Ali Abdaal style, so you can just make each word appear one by one according to the speech. So this will keep viewers engaged and makes your message super clear. And to elevate the animation, you can add a slight shadow to the text. You can use bold only keywords and keep the spacing consistent. So don't over animate, simple always wins. And when you're done, you can just export the clip. So this will be perfect for YouTube Short or Instagram Reels. So that's how you can animate like Ali Abdaal using CapCut. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.